Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Shuhaida binti Azali, my matric number 267847. Today I will explain about the summary of the Canopy Group Corporation, accounting problem in the cannabis industry. The introduction. John Flower is the founder and principal of Bliss Venture, or known as Bliss, a full-service consulting firm dedicated to clients in the cannabis industry. He often attended conference calls held by major companies in the industry that reported financial results. He felt that it helped him monitor the issues that are having impact on his client and the broader market. For the cannabis industry, on 17 October 2018, the Cannabis Act came into effect in Canada, making sale of recreational cannabis legal by licensed entity. The Cannabis Act provided provincial, territorial, and municipal government with the authority to prescribe regulation regarding retail and distribution of recreational cannabis. On October 2018, the Cannabis Act had legalized the sale of combustible cannabis, oil, plants, and seed in Canada. This first round of legislation also refers as Cannabis Act 1.0. The second round of legislation is introduced 1 year later and sometimes referred as Cannabis Act 2.0, which this law legalized the sale of edible containing cannabis concentrated for recreational use. This is expected to have significant impact on the cannabis industry. By 2019, Flower aware that the relationship between state and federal law in the United States is extremely complex. This issue led to significant operational challenges, costly inefficiency, and reduced options for raising capital. The cannabis industry also be fragmented by a desire to realize economy of scale. For the summary, Canopy Group Corporation is the cannabis company that established in 2010 and based in Smithfield, Ontario. It is listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange under the symbol WIT and on the Nasdaq stock market under the symbol CGC. At first, the company name is MAPH Ontario and later renamed as Tweed Marijuana. And on January 22/7/2014, Canopy received its license to sell medical cannabis to the patient. After the medical cannabis business grew, the name is changed to Canopy Group Corporation and the former name Tweed was retained for one of Canopy men's brand. In October 2018, the Cannabis Act came into effect in Canada and Canopy opened various retail stores for the sale of cannabis for recreational use across the country. And the Canopy sold a wide range of products under a diverse platform of brands. Fowler started to analyze Canopy financial for the second quarter ending 30 September 2019, which he finding the financial is extremely complex. On his first review, he noted that the company appeared to have relatively strong balance sheet and liquidity position, but the company recorded a loss of over 1.6 billion in the first two quarters of fiscal 2020. So he want to find further into the key account that driving the company financial position and profitability. He also curious about the revenue and cost of sale account in the company statement of operation, and he realized that this account is unique to the agriculture industry. He also want to find more information on the impact of share repurchase credit liability. And he noticed that the Canopy had completed the Act Free Age transaction in 2019 is not readily apparent on the statement, but disclosure related to the transaction is being provided. So there are 4 issues in this case. First, because of the changes of Cannabis Act from first round to second round of legislation. Second issue is because of the desire to realize economy of scale, expand customer base, secure new brands and product, and enter new market and acquire distribution channel or can be related to the future potential. The third issue is regarding the revenue and cost of sale account that was unique to the agriculture industry. And the fourth issue is the impact of the share repurchasing credit liability on Canopy income for the year. And as the conclusion, Paula need to understand all of the issue and need to identify what need to do with this issue. Thank you.